What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to my channel Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make a 5-spice chicken recipe by using the oven. The chicken is seasoned with light soy sauce, oyster sauce, 5-spice powder, garlic, honey, and it is best for a quick and easy everyday meal. I'm now in New Zealand and I realized that food is a universal language that transcends borders and cultures, and I'm glad to add some Asian inspired flavor to the everyday meals in this country. So let's get started. This recipe is super easy. What you need is chicken. You can use chicken thighs, you can use chicken breast, chicken wings, or even the whole chicken. What you need are the 5-spice powder, some minced garlic, oyster sauce, some sesame oil, some ground pepper, some honey, light soy sauce, and some olive oil. Combine all these ingredients in a mixing bowl. This is the light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, honey, ground pepper, the Chinese 5-spice powder, that's the main ingredient, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix these seasonings together and that's the marinade for the chicken. I will include the recipe and the quantity of each ingredient in the description below the video. Pat dry the chicken to remove any excess moisture. Now add the spice mixture to the chicken in a large mixing bowl. And then rub the spice mixture onto the chicken and make sure that it distributes evenly. Keep the seasoned chicken in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and that will give the flavors time to penetrate the meat, resulting in a more flavorful and tender chicken. Since we need to marinate the chicken for about 2 hours, let me explain to you what is Chinese 5-spice powder. It is a mixture of cinnamon, cloves, fennel, star anise, and peppercorns. So these are the 5 major ingredients of both of the Chinese 5-spice powder, although there are some regional variation. You can easily purchase all the individual spices and use your spice grinder to grind and mix it, but it is easier to just buy the store-bought Chinese 5-spice powder for home use. It is an excellent seasoning for meat and vegetables, and it is a great way and the easiest way to incorporate 5 spices all at once. I've marinated the chicken for more than 2 hours and remove it from the refrigerator. Let it rest on the table for more than 20 minutes. Let it back to room temperature. Let's transfer the chicken thighs to the baking tray lined with baking paper. Skin side up. Then brush some oil on the skin. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the chicken until it reaches the internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. When the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving to allow the juices to redistribute. Serve it with white rice and vegetables. Quick and easy meal for the whole family. That's how to make Chinese-style 5-spice chicken by using the oven. And it has a universal flavor, and I hope you will enjoy it with your family. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.